Looking for the best Andrew Ng courses on Coursera? In this complete 2026 guide, I'll walk you through Andrew Ng's most popular courses and help you choose the right one for your learning goals. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. It's currently the most affordable way to access Andrew Ng's courses and thousands of other top programs. If you're completely new to AI, start with AI for Everyone. This course requires no programming experience and explains how artificial intelligence works, where it's being used, and why it's transforming every industry. It's one of the best introductions to AI for beginners and professionals alike. If you want to become a machine learning engineer, the Machine Learning Specialization should be your first technical course. It's Andrew Ng's updated flagship program, created with Stanford Online and DeepLearning.AI. With a 4.9-star rating and hundreds of thousands of learners, it teaches Python, NumPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, supervised learning, neural networks, decision trees, recommender systems, and reinforcement learning. Once you've mastered those fundamentals, the Deep Learning Specialization is the natural next step. It's one of the most respected deep learning programs available online. You'll learn computer vision, natural language processing, convolutional neural networks, sequence models, transfer learning, and other advanced AI techniques used in modern applications. Andrew Ng also offers newer courses like Generative AI for Everyone, AI Python for Beginners, ChatGPT Prompt. Engineering for Developers, building systems with the ChatGPT API, and LangChain for LLM application development. These are excellent choices if you want to build practical skills with today's AI tools and large language models. The biggest advantage of taking these courses through Coursera Plus is the value. Buying several courses or specializations separately can quickly become expensive. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is available with a limited-time 40% discount. That brings the price down to just $239 for the entire year, making it an excellent investment if you plan to complete multiple Andrew Ng courses. No matter where you are in your AI journey, Andrew Ng has a course that fits your level. If you're ready to start learning, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.